Handyman Dad.
What's going on, guys? Handyman Dad here. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about how to use a tape measure, and we will measure some of our things to practice. Please leave a like if you find it useful, as it really helps the channel out. Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to keep up to date with us. Make sure you click on the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And now let's get into it. Today I want to share with you how to use a tape measure or a tape rule. Tape measures are very important, especially when you want to build or cut something. This is my favorite tape measure. I like it because it's really bright, it's easy for me to find, and it's easy to read the numbers. Now let's have a look. From 1 to 2, that's 1 inch. When we've counted up to 12 inches, that equals 1 foot. And it's marked here on the tape measure with a triangle, so you can see it very clearly. If we pull out the tape measure some more, we can see every time we count to 12 inches, we'll get another foot. Labeled at the top of the tape measure, the feet and inches are marked in red, so you can read them quickly. If you just want to know the inches, it's labeled at the bottom side of the tape measure, and if you read here, you can tell how many inches you have. 1 foot is 12 inches, and it goes up from here. There are inches until you get to 16 inches. 16 is very special, and it is labeled usually to stand out. On this tape measure, there's a red box around every 16 inches. If we pull out the tape measure and look for the next 16 inches, that's 32, you'll see it also has a red box. This makes it easier for builders and carpenters to measure because in the North Americas, walls are built with wall studs apart on 16-inch centers. So it's really handy as a quick reference. So now we know that 12 inches makes up 1 foot. But what makes up an inch? If we want to make very precise measurements, we need to look at the lines between the inches. Every inch is divided into 16. So the first mark is 1/16. The second is 2/16, and so on until you reach 16/16, which is 1 full inch. Most builders will be okay with an inch divided into fractions, which is easier to write or say if you're in a hurry. For example, an eighth, half, 3/4, or 7/8. So let's try it out. Let's see if we can measure some of our things. Let's line up the front of our cement truck. And it looks to be 1, 2, 3, and about 3/16. Okay, awesome. Let's try another. Let's see about this police car. We will line it up and 1, 2, 3, and about 4/16, or 3 1/4. Okay, next we have another truck. Let's line it up. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 inches. Nice. Okay, what do we have next? Something a little bit bigger. Fire Truck Marshall from the Paw Patrol. Let's line him up and see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and about 3/4. So 8 3/4. Alright, let's see if we can go over a foot. What do we have? Nice. Lightning McQueen. He's pretty big, so let's see how he measures out. Okay, we'll line up the front, Lightning, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 foot, 1 foot 1, 1 foot 2, and let's say about 2/16, which is 1/8. So Lightning would be 1 foot 2 and 1/8, or 14 and 1/8. There we go. Hopefully this was helpful and you learned a little bit about how to use a tape measure. We will see you next time.
Thanks for watching.